Alright guys, so I want to show a new feature that I added to this library tool. So on the drafting library, I added the ability to place a family instance of like a gasket, a part, detail, or a fastener, something like that. And then added the ability to place it and then also tag it. So you could choose any gasket. If you hit place and tag, you can place it, and then it says pick leader placement point, pick tag placement point, and it'll place the leader with the tag. And I also added the option to put the gasket with no leader, so you could just place the gasket and then just place the tag without a leader. And you can do that for parts or uh, fasteners or like angles as well. You can't do it for like anything, but for anything that has a tag, you can use it. So I'll show you with the two. Or for fastener.